Hello, Tiffany. How are you today?
Hi, Red Fox. I am very good. Thank you. I am happy. I am going to see my family today.
Do you have a big or a small family, Tiffany?
I have a big family, Red Fox. Do you have a big family?
Yes, Tiffany, I do.
Who is in your family?
I have a mother. I call her Mom. I have a father. I call him Dad. They are my parents.
Me too, Red Fox. I have a mum and a dad. Sometimes I call them Mummy and Daddy.
I also have grandparents. I call them Grandma and Grandad.
How many grandparents do you have, Red Fox? I have 2 grandmothers, but no grandfathers.
I have 2 grandmothers and 2 grandfathers. They are my parents' parents.
Do you see your family every day?
I see my parents every day, and I see my grandparents on Saturday and Sunday.
It is great that you see your grandparents on the weekends, Red Fox. I see my aunts and uncles on the weekend. They are my parents' brothers and sisters.
I like to play with my cousins. They are my aunt and uncle's children. Do you have any cousins?
Yes, I have many cousins. My family is very big. We all like to play together. I love my big family.